Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Germany emerged from defeat at the end of the First World War. Listen for political, economic, and social shifts that reshaped the nation. We start with the immediate crisis of military collapse and the political upheaval that followed, then examine the fragile peace settlement and its economic burdens, and finally explore the social consequences and the role of ideas and leadership in rebuilding a battered society, all in clear, easy steps. Germany's political collapse cleared space for new governments and radical ideas. Pay attention to how revolts, councils, and democratic experiments competed for power. After the military surrender, revolutionary councils clashed with conservative forces, leading to a fragile parliamentary republic. Political violence and polarization persisted, while constitutional reforms tried to stabilize governance. I will explain key actors, the impact of imposed terms, and how political instability set the stage for future crises and societal shifts. Economically, reparations, trade disruption, and inflation reshaped daily life. Listen for how currency collapse, unemployment, and recovery attempts affected families and politics. Hyperinflation wiped out savings and fueled unrest, while occupation of industrial regions provoked strikes. Stabilization policies and foreign loans slowly restored some confidence, but social trauma and class tensions endured, influencing culture, voting, and public debates as people navigated hardship and sought new solutions to rebuild livelihoods and institutions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.